Hello everyone. Today we are starting the chapter classification IGCSE. Characteristics of living things. Firstly, it depends on growth, how much like large it is, how much like it can grow, movement like their body movement, sensitivity, information about the changes in the environment, how they react to it. Okay, so these are all the 3 points which you have to write for the classification. Okay. Now, classification 3 points like classification in the characteristics, and also you can write excretion. Okay, like their metabolic reactions, their what must be removed from the body. Okay, excretion, excretion. Okay, then reproduction. After that, nutrition, and third is respiration. Okay. So this is the characteristics which are important. Then comes the classification. See, classification can be used like using a DNA to help the classification. Okay, classification using DNA to help with classification. See, in the classification system, what happens? The classification, the first person to classify the organism was Linus. Okay, and what he did, he divided the things like this. First of all, species. Okay, then comes the genus. Okay, you can see genera also somewhere it will be written. Then it comes several phyla, phyla and kingdoms. Okay, so in the next video, we will be learning about how these all work, what are species, okay, and like see, he divided all the different kind of living things into species. Okay, Linus species groups were organisms like they shared same appearance. You can say same appearance is there, same behavior is there, same behavior. Okay. Then comes genes. Genes is like a singular form. It's like in a large group, it says which genre it is. The species are grouped into larger groups. Okay. Species grouped into larger group is known as genus or genera. Each contains several species with similar qualities. So the larger group of genus is like different species in it. Several genera, you can say several genera are then grouped into families. Okay, then families, these families are classes. Okay, genera is into classes. Okay, classes into phyla you can say, and phyla to kingdoms. Okay, so kingdoms are like they will contain phyla, and after that it contains what it contains classes, then genus with species. Okay, so it's based on what the appearance they have, what is the difference of same behavior or not. Okay, then they do have a binomial naming system. Okay, Linus gave every species, all species, you can say organism, two names. One was a Latin name. Okay, this is called binomial system. Okay, one was a Latin name. The first name of the genus, okay, the organism belongs to, and always capital. Okay, the first letter will be the capital one, and the second of them will always be the small. So, the two word system is called binomial. Okay, so this is a binomial system. Like let's say a wolf is there, so genus will you can write as Canis lupus. Okay, so this capital, this is small. Okay, when you write Latin name, you cannot write it in italics. Very important. One mark the questions, or like the questions can be asked. Is it like it can be written in italics or not? It cannot be written in italics. As so, you should underline it. Okay, it's very important that whenever you're writing it, you please underline the things. Okay, the genus can be abbreviated like C. Dot lupa, lupus. Okay. There are some questions in the textbook, so we will be taking the questions next time in the next video. Okay. And the next topic of our video will be like after this, I will create a whole playlist. So we'll get a playlist also. The kingdom, the kingdoms of living organisms. Do comment it if you want the next video on this. Okay. So I will be meeting you soon in the next. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Okay.